Welcome to our studio. My name is Jumu Jugari. This is the Jugari news. First headlines today in the Sakran. Pakistan Minister, ex-minister, Pakistan ex-prime minister Nawaz Sharif today in Dalal Dero, Sakran, and he asked all Mawalis conference to his the smoking is not injured in the health. Health is the wealth is Prime Minister of Nawaz Sharif. Sad news today in Sakran, truck and donkey collided head-on Sakran to front this of the parked while the was already destroyed it with help to which the tank truck issued a crowd of the doctors. So the donkey condition improved. He went to the house to ask for the two body in civil hospital Sakran. He was staying with the wheel to including of injured from the ambulance Hamdard Talka Sakran. So he was in the truck. Donkey is very injured to hire to profile in the Pakistan. So he today Islamabad Prime Minister, ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan says to the all countries Sindhi Qom and Jalbani and Chandia. He says to the please to this problem in our says in the Belo Khato and the Band. So he did not available to the his problem of Pakistan. So he cannot is the could be washed in the exclaim to the our last days in our Pakistan. So he's been the today February 16 election commission of Pakistan to 30 million rupees in the election commission of Pakistan. So he will be coming out as Imran Khan says the MQM Pakistan No League and Pakistan People's Party GIU to his the club to the same days same to do I am this not available. So he was asking to health as wealth. I am cannot the first of the headlines today.